to lecture on my algorithm to get into something that has a little more practical implication and application, and that is neurotypicals or normal individuals' misconception, misperception, or misapprehension of individuals who fall outside the spectrum of what is perceived as normal.
It's amazing, you know, because
the vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes.
What is sound? If an A chord is 440 hertz.
So sort of paradigm. Or you play an instrument and it emits a sound. There's a sound that's emitted from the instrument.
By creating a taxonomy of all interdisciplinary where physics meets linguistics when it comes
In semantics, ambiguity, in
a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis.